Hi, hello, John Chow. Um, I don't know if you remember me. I am James from lesfameusesvideos.com. In the past, I've sent you a 3D postcard at your home address, and I commented on your YouTube channel. Lately, it was in May, I think. I told you that I tried to contact you by email several times, by Facebook Messenger on your page, but I couldn't get any response, never. And in my YouTube comment, you replied saying, "Oh, I didn't see it. Which email does it come from?" And I gave you the email. I will give you again in this video because that's my last attempt to reach you. Because what I wanted to offer to you to talk to you about, it was a special account in Builderall. Builderall, you can look online. It's a platform for digital marketing. So it's very similar to all the tools that you are promoting as an affiliate marketer. And there are a special advantage for this platform. I want you to have this special account because it's going to stop being available uh, before the launch in at the start of July. So it's now or never, in fact, for this account. It's called ambassador account. And previously, an ambassador could only give out two tokens for new ambassadors. But now, since this ambassador account is going to be closed, we can promote it to more ambassadors. But all the details that you would like to know about it, uh, I can tell you if you want. But just realize that I've been following you since the days of the blogging of AdSense when when Google banned you from. So I know you. I know what you do, what you like recurring programs such as Aweber or HostGator. You enjoy this because of the recurring income. Then you made a mob. You was a successful affiliate for mob, but it closed. And now you started with ClickFunnels. So I follow you, and I know, and ClickFunnels, is very good affiliate program. I admit it, especially because there is a second level at 5%, but also the main level, your first level, direct sales, it's a 40% and recurring on a high price. Okay, it's quite high, but your audience will have many profiles, several profiles. So for those, ClickFunnels and Builderall are compatible because Builderall is not a copy of ClickFunnels. It's a you have more tools in Builderall, so of course more tools means it's less targeted on only sales funnels. For instance, you can create a blogs with Builderall. You can create Facebook chatbot. You have a WhatsApp Messenger, Instagram autoresponder. You have tools to make videos, etc. It's a platform, and the price is cheaper. The price point is cheaper than a ClickFunnels, which means that you can be promoting both because your audience has different needs, and it will not. It's not either you take a Builderall or you take HostGator and install WordPress. It could be you have Builderall and you can also have a WordPress blog because the WordPress will be more targeted, more specialized. And the same for ClickFunnels. Some people can even have Builderall and ClickFunnels to mix because of the many tools in Builderall. So I don't want to convince you to use Builderall yourself, but of course, with this account, you will use it. You will have a perfectly working account, so you can uh, promote it, not just for the money, really because it's useful for your audience. As all the products that you promote, they are like this because you use them yourself with success for many years. For Aweber, over 10 years. ClickFunnels, now you use it to sell your own products. So it's not incompatible. It will not put in danger your performance as an affiliate with ClickFunnels that you also have Builderall to promote. So what I want to talk about is the ambassador account. please, if you even don't understand why you would want this account under me instead of just taking an account on Builderall, I can tell you, because you cannot take the ambassador account from the website directly. And as I said, on the 1st of July it will be finished. So now we are the 20th of June. So there is only 10 days. So please contact me in my email address, or just reply to this video, because I will make sure that you will see it. I will post it in your latest video comments. You know, that's all I have to say. That's my last attempt to reach you. You know, I don't do it with everybody. You are the only one. I would like you to be ambassador under me. That would be great. So the main things about ambassador, let's say, is you have double commissions on your first level. When you make sales, you get double the commission that the normal accounts get, affiliate accounts get. And so you understand that it's a very powerful, because you double, you increase, and you will have a lot of sales. We know that in your audience, you offer, you know, you can add it in your default description in YouTube, in the links, and you will have your affiliate link for Builderall. It's also, you know, it's great because there is a launch of Builderall 3.0 on 4th of July this year, and with new tools. You see the logo here. It was not like this before. It was a cute octopus. Now it's a style octopus. There is a new marketing director. You know, many things are new and developing. It's not a gimmick. It's not a fake things that I'm talking to you about. I'm doing this video. I've never done it before. So please just try to take some time out of your life just to try to have a contact with me, and you can ask me any question, or just ask me for the link, referral link to get inside Builderall as an ambassador yourself. Okay, so please, John, shout if you want. If you don't want, you are not interested, that's fine too. You will do fine. As you said in your video, you can even retire if you want now, because you have made it. But Builderall is a lot of fun. I will this only for this as a geek to geek. When you go to Builderall, look at Pixel Perfect, the web editor. You have never seen one like this, even with plugins on WordPress to create a website. It's like if you are you have a piece of paper and you make a collage. You put stickers. You have total freedom. It's very nice. I think very nice. I've been on computing for dozens and dozens of years already, and it's the best web editor I found. Of course, it's not perfect in everything, but go to this builderallrockstar.com. It's my site, my domain name, my site. It's just an affiliate site. You see, for instance, this video, you can put it not straight, you know, tilt. You have an effect. When you move, you know, you have things moving. All this, you can do it. Here I made a form, so if you want, you just create a free account on Builderall. You will be under me, and then when you contact me, I can send you the link to upgrade to Ambassador. You know, all those effects, which are well, maybe we can do it in WordPress, but it's so easy to do it. It's fun, so you can at least find the fun in web editing again. When WordPress was released, you know, it was a change from doing it by hand or with Dreamweaver. So WordPress was nice. You had a plugin like Divi and you can edit the page. But Pixel Perfect is very, very powerful. You know, look at all those effects. I will not do them by hand, by coding, even if I know how to do. But it's a drag and drop a web editor, not grid based. It's like a piece of paper and you have total freedom. So just for this, you know, because with Builderall you have hosting, web editor, also you have an autoresponder, email autoresponder, professional one, and many, many other tools. But just with those three, you know, it provides a place to host your website, a web editor to create them, and an email autoresponder because it's so important. And since it's on the same platform, you have many powerful link between the web editor and the email autoresponder, like tagging people. When you send email, it goes to this page, then you have tagging possibility. There's no problem with integration with other, but you can also integrate other autoresponder. But the freedom that you have, such as with the chatbot builder, Facebook chatbot builder that you have in Builderall, you can directly ask the user his email. He stays in the chat, he puts the email up, it's added in the autoresponder of Builderall in your list automatically, and then you receive the email. The integration is, of course, a selling point of having a platform. It's not always good to have all the tools in one place, for sure, especially when there is a problem with the company. You don't want to be tied inside. But when things are good, you have advantages also to have this integration inside the tools. It's very easy to mix them, and the integration is top. You cannot achieve it in other things, or maybe with the help of Zapier. You send to Zapier, Zapier send to the other tool, so you have connected the things together. But in Builderall, it's all integrated. It's very nice. So please contact me, and if not, it's fine too, okay? Well, at least I tried, and I tried really hard. Bye bye.